Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Scholar profile. This is very important for the people who publish papers and want to track down their paper and see how those papers get cited, and it also help them in a way that they can put this information in their resume, and also they can share the Google Scholar profile to any professor or to anyone who might be interested to know that what kind of research you are doing. So let's go back there. You have to search the Google Scholar, and then this is how it looks like, and there will be an option called sign in. So you can use your existing account. So I'm assuming that there is no account, so I'm removing this account and I'm going to show from the early stage. So let's see that let's assume that I don't have any email ID. So I can even create from the start. This is, I'm putting my name, and then okay, username could be just for the demo I'm using any name. This is just simple, I'm just using for demonstration purpose. So if you have the existing email ID, you don't need this. So I'm just set up an email so that you can also see that how you can start from the scratch. Those are the optional, but you have to fill up those information, so that then some term and agreement. So this is just so now I just create an Gmail ID. So using this, so this is my profile. So how it looks like, it looks like this. See the profile, article, settings. So Google automatically took my name here, and I can put my affiliation. This University of Oklahoma is automatic. You will put your affiliation. If you want to add any email verification, that any you can add. Okay, I'm adding my school email ID, so at ou.edu, so that I can recover this email. And area of interest, you can put your one, and there's no restriction of the keywords. Use as much as possible which define your profile. If you have any personal information, then homepage, then you can add it here, and now it will automatically show you that okay, those are the articles. So I can see that the Google is showing that okay, those could be the option of you who which one is you think you are the one. So I think this is the one, because they already tracked on my 32 articles. So I'm selecting this one, and when I click this one, and it will ask me about how I want to work the Google Scholar to update my profile. One thing it can do, if I select apply update automatically, the Google Scholar will update every time when it will find my paper, it will update it automatically. Or I can select email me updates for review, and that particular period, every time before it if it added any paper in my profile, it will ask my permission. So most of the time people prefer to apply it or update automatically. And obviously you want your profile to be public so that people can know that what you are working. So this is simple. You see it's already created. You can add some picture. You can add the picture here, and from whatever you want, and then you can see that it's all the information here. Those are the citation. You can see year wise, so people can see year wise that okay, in 2022 you publish this much of paper, and what is your most cited papers. You can play with that. Here you have the option that add article manually. So if there is any paper which is not even in online, but you have the PDF version or something which is not available in online, then you can use the title. Especially it happens for the conference that the conference already held, you present your poster, but the materials is not available in the online, and then particular period, like you see journal, conference, chapter, book, thesis, patent, court case, other everything, you can add anything. So you have to put the title, your name, and all the necessary information, and then manually you can also add this information. So how it looks like when somebody search you in Google Scholar. So let's search in Google Scholar. I'm going to search my name here and then see MD. Okay, it's here. So see, this is how people will see your profile in Google Scholar, and this is how it looks like. So, and this way you can show the world that what kind of researcher you are, what you are doing, and it will help the others to understand your research domain. And see, I've add co-authors here, so those I can even see people even can see that okay, whom I'm working with and what kind of research they are doing, and you can also see that who is actually working with this author, so you can also collaborate with them together. You see, you can select here like follow, you can follow them. So what will happen, like new article, new citation, new articles. So if you select this one, so what happened, every time if this author publish any papers, you will get the notification. So that's how you can track down some of the potential researcher with whom your research interest match, and then you will be always in update and get the update that okay, what are the current trend and technique is used in your particular research domain. So that's why Google Scholar is very important, and I will suggest all of you who are want to establish your career in academia, please open a Google Scholar account, and it will help you for a longer run. Thanks for watching.